created. If you are interested in finding out once and for all how the moon was created, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. And to support us, like the video and subscribe to us so that you can use other contents of our channel.
Well, first of all, let me explain to you how I was born. And then let's go to the main point. That is, you were born. $4.6 billion years ago, I was gas and dust orbiting the Sun. But as you know, the force of gravity caused these dusts to gather in one place, and I was formed. At the same time as me, a planet named Theia was also forming, a planet rich in iron and nickel, which was currently in an orbit between Venus and Mercury. At that time, I was a ball of fire that was bombarded by thousands of asteroids daily. Until after thousands of years, planet Theia and I finally fell in love with each other, and we decided to spend the rest of our lives together from then on. But the real story just started from here. The biggest mistake of me and Theia was this stupid decision. After that, Theia decided to use the gravity of Venus and Jupiter to change her orbit and bring herself closer to me. Of course, the scientific reason for this happened was that the orbit of this planet was deviated and disturbed by the gravitational force of Venus and Jupiter. For this reason, it made its orbit around the Sun bigger and moved towards me or the Earth. Until this planet was getting closer to me day by day, but there was no force to stop it. Until finally, after millions of years passed, she reached me and a huge collision took place between me and her. A collision that was so strong and deadly that it caused the planet Theia to be completely destroyed and merged with me. The pieces of this collision started to rotate around me like the rings of Saturn, until finally they merged together and you came into being.
According to what evidence did the scientists give this theory?
By observing the stones and photonic layers that existed under the African continent, scientists realized that these types of stones are different from all the stones that my layers are made of. When they managed to land on you, samples of stones were collected from you, which they finally found to be the same as my stones. Of course, there are other theories of how the moon came into being, but the theory that is more accepted than all other theories is this theory. Please, if you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel, and write to us